Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair for the first time. So I'm going to jump right into this video before I start waffling. So what I'm doing here is I'm sectioning my hair to prepare it for blow drying. I like to work in sections because it makes it easier so you don't miss any strands or anything like that. So now what I'm doing is I'm applying heat protection onto my hair. This is such an important step because you don't want heat damage. You need to protect your hair. So now it's time to blow dry your hair. So what I do is I work from the root up. So I make sure I get the roots and I work my way right up to the top just to make sure I have like an even distribution of straight hair. And I do this all over my head, working in small sections so I don't miss any spots. And then what I do is I twist my hair like so, just to keep it out the way so it's easier to work with really. You can put it up in hair ties or use rubber bands, but I just prefer to just twist it around, just make little bantu knots type of thing. Okay, this is what one side of my hair looks like. Look at the shrinkage from one side to the other, guys. But yeah, so this is kind of what you want to go for. Just a fluffy blow dry, just something that's easy to work with so that when you run the straightener through your hair, it's not too difficult. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to divide your hair into really thin sections. So in a moment, you'll see me divide my hair into even thinner sections, like so. So then what I do is I run a comb through my hair just before I straighten it. This method is really good because it makes sure that there are no knots or any tangles in your hair before you straighten. So it makes the straightening a little bit more effective. So yeah, this is what I do throughout my whole entire head, taking little sections, running a comb through and straightening it. And it can be quite time consuming when you first start because you're trying to get the grips of things. But then I found that for me, as I did like the first half of my hair, the second half of my head was so much easier. Alright guys, so I finally completed the flat ironing part, and now what I'm going to jump to is styling it. So what I like to do is I like to create curls with the flat iron, and I just kind of run it through at an angle and curl it like so to create these bouncy curls. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is it all done. I love the outcome of this hair. I like the curls and everything. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy it, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.